Now, this is part 2 of our today's lesson where we will try to understand the function of NOR gate as OR gate. It's a where we have clarified that NOR gate is a universal gate. It should function as a basic gate, where we have selected here the function or behavior of a NOR gate as OR gate. How we are going to achieve this function, this behavior from a NOR gate? Here, you should remember that the technique is by complementing a NOR gate with a NOT gate. When the output of OR gate is observed, it is nothing but the output of NOR gate is observed, it is complement of the sum of the inputs. So here, why the output of this first stage NOR gate is complement of A plus B. Now, our output should be, in order to achieve the OR gate behavior, our output should be simply A plus B, not it is complement. Try to understand what I mean to say. In order to get OR gate behavior from NOR gate, our output should be, instead of complement of A plus B, it should be simply A plus B, sum of the inputs. That is what exactly an OR gate provides to us. So what to do? The technique is to be followed, that we have to complement again the output which we have received at the first level over here. In order to achieve the complement of this further, I need a NOT gate. But this NOT gate is here achieved from a NOR gate as well by shorting or combining its input terminal. So this is exactly our single input NOR gate, which will work as the NOT gate as clarified in the previous part 1 of this today's lesson. Now, what will be the output over here? When we provide the output of this first stage NOR gate to this second stage single input NOR gate, our output will be here, observe, complement of y plus y. Here we are receiving y and this terminal and at this terminal as well. So our output will be, final output will be complement of this y plus this y. Okay, as clarified in the previous, what will be y plus y? It will be y simply. Clear? So the final output will be complement of y. What is y? Actually, y is complement of a plus b. So complement of the complement of a plus b means double complement of a plus b is received over here. So double complement of a signal will give you the original signal. So we receive simply A plus B over here. So hope you understood it. The double complement of a signal is the original signal. So output will be A plus b, simply the sum of the inputs, which is the exact function of an OR gate. So here we will remember that NOR gate will work as an OR gate when two NOR gates are put in cascade with each other, where the first stage NOR gate is simple NOR gate and the second stage NOR gate, which follows the first stage NOR gate, is the single input NOR gate, which will act as a NOT gate, So the technique is, here this NOT gate is shorted input NOR gate and it has to follow the first stage NOR gate. Okay, Now let us try to understand it from truth table. If we are having the inputs A and B, here A and B, then simple OR gate output will be A plus B sum of the inputs, and it will be for 0 0 it will be 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1, and 1 plus 0 will be 1, and 1 plus 1 will be 1. It is simple OR gate output. OR gate, remember. Now what about the first stage output? First stage output, I mean to say this one. Complement of A plus B means complement of this over here. First stage output. First stage output will be complement of A plus B. It means complement of all this. What is the complement of 0? It will be 1. Complement of 1 will be 0. Nice. Now what about the final output? Final output over here. It will be complement of this y. Yeah, or complement of the complement of A plus B. Means this y complement is complement of this first stage output. Final output is, remember, final output is the complement of first stage output. So for this we will get, instead of 1, our output will be 0 for 0, 1 for 0, 1 for 0, 1. Now comparing this final output with the simple OR gate output. Here these are exact replicas. No difference at all. Final output is nothing but simple OR gate output. So what we conclude, our final output y complement is complement of the complement of A plus B, which is nothing but A plus B. So you will remember this Boolean expression, complement of the complement of A plus B equals to A plus B, or in other words, double complement of a signal is the original signal. Original signal was A plus B, and double complement of A plus B will provide A plus B. So nothing but the OR gate behavior has been achieved from NOR gate combination. Nice. Now our next part of this today's lesson will be NOR gate behavior as an NOR gate's behavior as that of an AND gate.